raining hard as fuck outside, y'all. So y'all ain't gonna see me pick nothing up in the goddamn and no goddamn rain. Fuck that shit. And nah, y'all will see a motherfucking video tomorrow when it dries. Shit. Wet as hell, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. You dig? Y'all see it, man. We out here dropping off these gaskets to them. My camera kind of blurry, but we dropping these gaskets off. They go to man. I don't know why my camera blurry, man. It's blurry right now. But let me see. Let me focus. Let me focus in. I might have to. There we go. Yeah, it's good. It's
camera
good.
Out now.
Yeah, I got the camera out. Ah, that's dirty, y'all. Look at it. She's dirty. She's dirty. It's alright though. She gonna be back.
Yes, sir. Make sure you clean.
Oh, see, oh yeah. Put a sap on it. They gonna see the process. Dropping everything off. Yes, sir. Let it now.
Yeah, buddy.
Y'all see everything out. He gonna get it right, man. Y'all see it. It's the old junk. Motherfucker bad, and y'all see the new one where I picked it up from, so yeah.
I said, I'll get you remain.
Yes,
See
sir.
it. You see that motherfucker from right up.
Yeah. It's the old junk, it's the new one. Oh.
Yeah, trying to make sure she, every gasket, every manifold, everything, before I go back in.
Yes, sir. Man, what the fuck they calling me? Tina.
I'll get you right before we go back in instead of you
yeah.
back in.
Yeah.
Then you run to some low damn problem.
Yes, sir. Y'all, I see y'all know who I got, man. My guy, my one and only guy. I had to hit him up when I came back home to get this motherfucker right. So I ain't want to fuck with nobody else, but y'all know I had to put my guy on the spot. If you got anything you want to tell them, Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, y'all can hit me up. Same, hey, I post daily. Everything I do breaks. Something simple, I'm gonna knock you out, but hey, this is my work area. This is my comfort zone.
Yes, sir.
Drop it off.
My guy in West Memphis, for the people who don't know, he is in West Memphis. The shop is on the way.
But right now,
yes, sir.
What you got.
Yeah. They know, they know what time it is. They want their work done, they gonna holler at the right people to get their work done.
Sir,
so
say Big Dog Automotive for right now.
Yes, sir.
Big Dog Automotive.
We gonna get it in, y'all. Y'all see, give me right. Give me right. I'm gonna end the video right here, but we might end it. We might pop up somewhere else today. So, hey,
yeah, beautiful day out here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
y'all
sir.
see it, man. It's all
I'm gonna
out.
try to get your engine being cleaned out before I go back in.
Yeah.
So when you do leave, if you have an oil leak, anything, just let me know.
Yeah, I got you.
Other than that, I'm gonna degrease y'all for real.
All right. Appreciate
And
it.
I'll be giving you a call back, sir.
Yes, sir. We gonna end it there, y'all. Hell no. when we took the old one out and put that one in, man, he had a little hassle with that junk, taking that old one out.
Yeah, watch this shit. I'm still my cousin house farm.
Man, I'm talking about that junk got oil everywhere.
Oh shit, you can look down and we did a valve comes in on the inside.
Yeah.
The damn gas rolled on your head.
For real? Y'all see it, man. I'm out here checking on the truck, getting the update for y'all on the truck and whatnot. Y'all see that motherfucker's still on them. Got the motherfucker's jack stand, lifted the fuck up, man.
Yeah, see, I was sliding your damn cam back because you said you want the cam. Shit.
Yeah,
See, you put a brand new oil pump in there.
Yeah.
But hell, when you said you did your valve cover and shit,
Yeah.
you can see on the inside that the motherfucking gasket kind of rolled.
Bro.
Now you gotta come on this side to see that motherfucker.
Damn.
Now you see that steel?
Oh, damn.
Now you see that motherfucker roll.
Ain't that some shit?
Yeah, buddy.
I ain't never seen no shit like that.
That's why you gotta be careful doing that shit.
Damn.
But yeah, other than that, man. Trying to get you gone knocked out. You say you trying to make it to Texas.
Man, trying. They blowing my ass, so I'm like, damn, give a nigga a minute. Shit, this shit take time.
Yeah.
Oh, you good?
Nah, shit, how about this goddamn block?
Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. In there.
What's up? I say shit. We just stopped, man.
For real.
that shit just pissed me fuck off.
What?
The damn wires. back there got caught between the transmission and the damn
out between, yeah.
So I gotta loosen this shit back up.
Damn.
Pull the wire back out of it. Other than that shit, I was about to put shit. If that shit wouldn't have been in there, we put the torque rotor bolts in.
Alright.
See that shit, that back hole back there, you can see it.
Yeah. Oh shit, man, this whole in this bitch.
I had to retap it.
It's in. It's in. He getting everything situated. He gonna have this motherfucker back right, y'all.
That back hole back there.
What about?
We had to retap it. The damn bolt though.
Ah yeah, the hell of
It
yeah.
didn't have enough for me to grip on it, so I had to drill it out
Alright.
and retap it.
Oh,
The other ones came out smooth though.
Alright. You straight shit. I understand that shit. That's really how that shit go. You know the motor getting hot and cold, so shit. You try to unbolt them, the motherfucker gonna break.
You motor mount, bolt lined up. They ain't tight because we was fucking around wiggling it around.
Yeah.
Other than that, I say, sir, I got your T right there.
Alright, yeah, I see it. Peace.
Everything on the bottom pretty much basically bolted up.
Yeah.
But since that shit back there happened,
Yeah.
got a shit.
Gotta undo that shit
Just
again.
loosen it up. We ain't got on both. Take both actions. Just loosen it up. Pull the wires out of it.
Yeah.
Other than that shit, everything else shit. Everything look,
Motherfucker look good to me.
Put some AC back in here because I know you want to ride snowballs.
Mine. I'm talking about this bitch was blowing cold ass air.
As soon as I cracked the line, it was.
Yeah, that bill was full. Just another update for y'all, man. He got that done in. Gotta do some more little wiring shit, put some little shit together, but he gonna have this motherfucker ready in no time. Shit, the old motor, I don't want that bit. Just like I told him, shit, I just want the cam and some little parts off there, so we'll be good to go. Shit, after that, shit, the motherfucker gonna be back on the road. Make sure y'all show my guy some love, man. If you in the West Memphis, Arkansas area, man, I'm telling you, tap in.
Me and Big Daddy Toy might be got something going on, so hey, man, I know Big Daddy Toy to come get you.
For real.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Big Daddy Toy. Same guy that brought them over here.
Boy, my boy James, boy, came pick that hoe up late night.
Oh, he 24 hours.
Oh, yeah.
He 24 hours.
For real. Y'all see it, man. That time cleaned up, he cleaned it up for me. I had it. Right. But yeah, man, shit dirty. He gonna get it back right, though. Y'all see my baby, man. He gonna get it back right. So stay tuned. Hey, different day, same video. We at it. We getting at it. We getting to it. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all. We back again. You know, different day, same video. So I got the truck back. I'm gonna give y'all a start up on it and everything. Cause right now it's dirty. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like before I head out. Crank the joint up for y'all. Sound real good, but y'all see how dirty it is. It might not come up on camera, but she dirty. Sounding good, no noise. She real dirty, y'all. So let me hop in and let me get in the conversation with y'all real good before we head out. So yeah, man, make sure I'm straight. But yeah, y'all, man, everything turned out good. Shout out to my guy Al. Appreciate you. Salute you, my guy. Y'all go turn my guy up. I'm gonna drop a picture right here somewhere in the video. So make sure y'all go show my guy some love on Instagram. He got the motor in, man. Took the old motor out, got the new one in. Make sure everything was good. Make sure everything was good to go or whatnot. And man, he got me good. Fill my AC back up, new oil, new gaskets, spark plugs, all that, man. So go check in with my guy Big Al. He gonna get you right. Only if you in the West Memphis or the Memphis area, just hit him up on IG or whatever and tell him Trey sent you. So, you know, sending all my business to my guy. You know, if he you know, not busy at the time, he can get you in and get you out, just like he got me in and he got me out. So man, I really appreciate him. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Texas Big Showdown. I don't know. I'm gonna just see how this go or whatnot, and it's gonna be up from there, man. And we got videos on top of videos on top of videos that we gotta do. So you know, we gonna get that done and get that out the way. But until then, today, I'm gonna be getting my truck detailed, and I might be adding a decal on my truck today. So I don't know, y'all. We just gonna see how the day, you know, go for us. And man, that's about it, man. So I'm gonna see y'all at the next spot when it's getting detailed or whatever, however. And we just gonna get the rest of the video and rest of the little footage. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for your boy. Leave a comment down below. Appreciate you. Make sure you leave a comment down below. I don't want to stress it no more. But man, get this video to 100 likes, man. Like it up. Share the video. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that. Hell, even Twitter if you got it. But yeah, man. See y'all at the next location. You dig what I'm saying? Let's get the thing detailed, baby. So y'all, man, we here. Making the thing detailed. You know. So yeah, man. Check the guy out, man. Check him out. He got his own clothing line, detailing inside and out. Shit, I can't even get it card good, but yeah, y'all see it, man. Inside and out, mobile car wash. Ugh. Clothing line on the back. Show him some love. You need to get that whole beamed up. And let me step out and give y'all a insight on what that motherfucker look like. That bitch is dirty as a motherfucker. That bitch dirty as hell. Y'all see my little shit from getting that whole that aisle house and shit. So that motherfucker dirty as fuck now. I'm trying to make it look good when I go to Texas, man. So that motherfucker got to be rolling, man. It got to be going. We trying to get as much footage as we can. My shit dirty. She dirty, y'all. She dirty, but if you out here on airways somewhere, man, make sure y'all hit them up, man. Make sure y'all text them, give them a call. Don't be bullshitting now. Make sure y'all give them a call, and man, ain't gonna hook you up. So make sure y'all getting it right. I'm out here, get my shit clean. This shit dirty as hell. So hey, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Get the video a like, man. I'm gonna cut the jump back on when he get the beam and that hoe up. You dig? Y'all see the motherfucking blood, that bitch wet. I don't care what nobody say, but that bitch gonna stand out wherever she pull up. Not gonna lie. She look real good. Look at the water dripping off that motherfucker. I don't see it, man. That'll get beamed up. You said what? Oh yeah. Hey, talk to her. Talk to her. Tell me. Hell no, just blow that shit out. Yeah, you blow all that shit out. Y'all see, man, they damn near done with it. As y'all can see, done cleaned up real good, man. I'm talking with, man, real dirty. I'm talking about dirty. Oh, see this jump, man. That folk got your boy beamed up. You got me looking right for Texas, man. I don't know. Am I going or not? Should I go or should I stay home? Yeah, dig OnlyFans, baby. Hey, mobile car wash, man. Shout out to the detail, man. I just pulled up on it, man. Seen the little truck, the little SUV and trailer, man. I had to get it in with them on a good time. You know, I gotta keep them motherfuckers on beam, man. You dig what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Give y'all a good inspection on that hoe. Man, I ain't got the baddest truck in the game, but shit, she is what she is. The hoe clean. She gonna make it do what it do. Until then, we out.